Monday night mystery for BBC One with the story of the disappearance of 3 girls and their teacher on a picnic at Hanging Rock. That's tomorrow night at 10 past midnight.
Bristolers on the hockey.
Eric, you require 122.
Harry flukes a double 17, which is 2 sevens, or gets triple 17, and that's more than double, like maybe 2 sevens. Oh, third. Hold on, Eric.
To 1 in 6 people, numbers just don't add up. You can improve by calling us for your free Count Me In pack.
So it's 100 and... Can we start again?
For your free pack, call 0500 555 666.
Catching up on all the latest weather words now on BBC Two, we join Bill Giles.
Hello again. It's still pretty cold over central and eastern parts of Europe. Remember, on our temperature maps, the blue areas show the coldest of the weather. I think as we go through the first part of the week, the cold weather staying where it is, and then in the second half, somewhat milder weather beginning to push across southern parts of Scandinavia. Still quite cool in the eastern side of the Mediterranean, but not too bad in central and western areas. A fair amount of cloud around, quite a few lumps of cloud, one through the central part of the Mediterranean, giving some pretty unsettled weather, more in the way of cloud too on the eastern side. So as far as Monday is concerned, that's where we're likely to see the heaviest of the showers through the central basin of the Mediterranean. Some snow coming down into the northwestern parts, and a fair amount of cloud at times in the eastern part of the Mediterranean. And then on Tuesday, snow with some strong winds, so some blizzard conditions pushing its way down across into Russia, Belarus there, and some snow running back through across in towards Germany, but high pressure dominating the scene in the northwest, and still a fair number of showers down through this central part of the Mediterranean. Back into this country then, and it's a very misty, murky night over many parts of England and Wales. The thickest of the fog probably through the Midlands and down into the south. Some quite nasty, dense patches of fog there too, and coupled with a frost, I think there could be some icy stretches on untreated roads. The lowest temperatures in the Midlands down to about -3, -4. That's around 25 degrees Fahrenheit. And at the same time, we're getting little bits of rain coming down across Scotland, and as that clears away in the north, so there could be a frost there at the end of the night. High pressure then dominating the scene on Monday, on Tuesday, and indeed Wednesday, in fact for the rest of the week. So we will be chasing bits of cloud around certainly in this coming week. A lot of mist, a lot of low cloud, in fact a very gloomy start over many central and southern parts of the country. Thick patches of fog around too, and as I've said, some icy patches on some untreated roads. The cloud thick enough over southern Scotland, particularly down across into Northern Ireland, to give a few spots of rain, but really not amounting to very much at all. And then brighter weather beginning to push down across Scotland as we go through into Monday morning. Now it looks as though this gloomy weather will slowly lift up through the morning. It'll take a time, not promising you very much in the way of sunshine at all, certainly not as much sunshine as there was on Sunday, and at the same time some little drizzly bits of rain coming down into northern England, particularly on the eastern side, and then slipping down through Lincolnshire, East Anglia, perhaps into parts of the southeast during Monday afternoon, Monday evening. And at the same time, much brighter weather with sunshine coming down across Scotland, Northern Ireland. Most places dry there. There will be 1 or 2 showers though dotted around up in the far north, and certainly feeling much cooler over England and Wales than it did on Sunday. 6, 7 or 8 degrees, the mid-40s Fahrenheit. Into Tuesday, early fog and frost I think in places. That'll be clearing away to give some sunshine, much the same on Wednesday and indeed Thursday as well. But the big problem I think we'll have this coming week was chasing bits of cloud around that anticyclone. That's it. Bye-bye for now.
This is BBC Two. Welcome now as we move into the Learning Zone for education through the night. And this is the shape of things to come in tonight's Learning Zone. In a moment, FETV with the collectibles. That's followed by French language at 4 o'clock, business and work at 5, and then at 6 o'clock, mathematics from the Open University. Now it's FETV with the collectibles, selected educational programmes from the daytime output, which are being repeated especially for students and teachers in further and adult education. This morning we continue with the theme of numeracy skills. The programmes are drawn from two series, Away with Numbers and Some Chance. Both are presented by Carol Vorderman and explore the use of numbers in everyday life.